What is going on, guys? We are back out here with the Miata, and it is nice and moist and rainy out tonight. So we want to go for some skids, but the one thing that's really annoying right now is this right front
wheel is on metal. The brakes are metal on metal. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's bad. But I don't even have a rotor for right now. All I'm gonna do is put pads in, so that's fine. Not recommended, guys. Don't just replace your pads if your rotor looks this bad, but because we're professionals, it'll be fine for tonight. Let's get at that.
I don't know what's going on with that stud right there, but
seems legit.
I don't think that's stock.
So that's what you want your brakes to look like, guys. And like I said, I'm not doing a rotor. It's what it is. But with that being said, it's easy enough. Just 2 bolts, and we're gonna take this bracket off and put the new pads in. I'm only doing the pads now because this guy gave me the pads with the car. They're in the trunk, so it makes it easy. If I was buying it, I probably would just buy the rotor. It's not that soft, but we're gonna do the pads for skid purposes because we have them.
Where's the trunk?
It's like in the little cup holder. It's fancy, man. Now the back one, you find it? It's in the back one. Still can't find the trunk, please, can you? You trying to find the trunk?
Yeah.
It's in there.
Oh, there?
Yeah. There she is. Pull it.
Harder?
Nice.
I don't want to break it.
There are the pads.
Sick. Don't you love when you buy cars with car parts in the back?
Yeah. Makes it easy.
And you can charge your phone too.
If we need that.
Why is it in the same box?
Who knows, man? Who knows?
These bolts came off real easy. And they're really small too. They're just that big. 2 bolts, and then this bracket will just come on off. And after I take that off, I'm gonna pull these slide bolts out and just give them a grease. I'll show you in a second when you have a better angle. So these slide bolts right here, they were all the way out like that, so because the pad was so small and there's just obviously metal on metal, so they're all the way extended, and they got really gross and all dirty up in there and rusty. So I'm gonna give those a clean off and a new greasing. Cool. The full brake job, you know.
Yeah. It's been pouring out all day, like downpouring, and literally the 10 minutes we come outside and it's not raining, we're like, all right, let's change the brake pads. Well, of course, it starts raining again. So yeah, we're out here in the rain.
I think my tool's too big.
Is it?
Yeah, I use
For the little Miata.
I use pliers.
Oh no.
No big deal.
Focus.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna use big channel locks.
We're gonna use channel locks, guys. Nice.
This is the method, guys. Just use big channel lock.
I can't believe it's pouring out right now.
Right, dude? It's not pouring out, but it's
pretty freaking moist. So here's the old pad, looking pretty good. That's nice.
Oh, that's good to see.
I got the new ones in there. I greased up the slides already, nice and greasy. I pushed back the caliper with hand out. Yeah, we're gonna put it back together. Oh, and
Backing plates.
these have some weird little adhesive backing plates. I put one on, but you just take the sticky stuff on and stick it on. I know brake pads have backing plates, but I've never really had the sticky ones that you put on. Pretty easy, obviously. So we'll be done in a second.
Look at that! It's done. Pit stop. Tightening up that last third lug nut.
we don't have one. I'd say we're good to send it.
Send it.
It shouldn't grind now.
Let's do some skids.
So we got the brakes in this thing now, guys, and it's awesome. There's no noises, nothing at all. It drives great. So we're bringing you to the parking garage here to lay down. This guy's just slowing down, sorry, making me nervous. But we're just going to this spot here, and we're gonna slide around a little bit in the rain. Should be fun. This thing drives the tits, like so mint, guys, so mint. Like, it's ridiculous. The brakes are perfect now. It's awesome. I'm having a blast. It's so fun.
We just pulled up to the spot. I'm gonna do a few inside views because I haven't drifted in the Miata yet, but here we go. Oh boy.
Rubbing tire. Gotta get used to the old girl. Oh, she loops so quick.
Getting used to it. think that Volvo has more radius?
Oh yeah, for sure. You can hear it like rub.
Yeah, I know. I can kind of smell it rub.
Oh, I have an idea.
What up?
Let's go in e-brake style. Oh, I gotta grab the E. Let's try another one here. I think we might need a welded diff, huh?
Allegedly.
Seconds bogging hard.
Oh, it's grabbing rub. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna move.
No.
Hey, we're gonna hop out.
How about?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm going.
Oh, it stinks. Try to do that figure eight.
All right, next spot.
Almost, dude, almost.
I was doing okay, but
Fun.
she's definitely so much
I
fun.
like it. That's an exit.
That was so
cool. I hope the camera saw that.
We got
we
a little
were
close.
fucking centimeters
From the curve.
Not even. You were literally a CH, ladies and gentlemen, a CH.
Oh, wow. Those lights are sketchy. And we out. We out of here. This thing's honestly a blast. This thing is honestly the most fun I've had. We out! Miata gang. Should I drift it?
Yeah. This thing is just
Special. Special. No, it doesn't want it.
Now's our chance to get in.
Should we just go park under and say, the frickin' thing hit me? What the hell?
Insurance money.
Alright, let's launch it out of here. Nice, a little limb tap there. Woo!
Just a wee bit.
She eats it.
For real.
I honestly don't know I'm hitting limb because it's so quiet. We're gonna have
to be honest, man, like we weren't attracting a lot of attention.
We're gonna have to change that. The exhaust is gonna have to, you know. If I can't hear the limiter, man, we got you. We need more noisolation.
Yeah, definitely. But
Straight pipe.
Final bottom line, how do we feel about the Miata?
Dude, I feel like the Miata is an absolute animal.
Yeah.
And Guys, there's gonna be a lot coming with Miata. They're gonna get coils, seats, harnesses, anything you can think of. The Miata's gonna be a daily drifter, guys. So we have a lot coming, a lot more skids coming with it. So if you wanna see more, guys, make sure to stay tuned, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Peace!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love